Randall and Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Randall and Rueff reporting. K9RMR. Let's do this thing. First of all, the package is smaller as far as width than I thought it would be. And of course, the one thing I hate, I hate these peanuts. These things are horrible. I hate these things. They've got so many better options. This is the KSC-25LS dock, so I don't have to use the thing. And then here's a gig parts, $10 off. And here it is. Let's see if I can do this without. I might have to do this with the peanuts. Oh, hold on. Oh, I hate peanuts. Okay. There she blows, baby. Okay, the problem. Well, maybe I gotta. Well, let's do it this way. It's really in there, really snug. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. I'm so excited. I'm gonna need this. We'll save that for a second. This is the Kenwood KSC-25LS dock. Get the power cable, some instructions which I probably won't read, the dock itself, very nice. I don't know what this is. Oh. We have. Oh, okay, it's got to go from this. Plug that in the wall, plug this into this, and then this goes into the... Okay, so we do actually need both. Okay. So, very excited. Ah! Put that over there. Now, the moment. Wow, look at that. Nice. And we have, boxes stay open here. We have the battery. And some safety instructions, blah, blah, blah. Again, probably won't read. Your basic blah, blah, blah. And there it is, your battery. I'm curious to see if it's charged or not. Put that in that. There's that. Let's see. So we got the battery. Got the standard rubber ducky antenna, which we'll see if my other one works with it. Probably not. That looks. It's very high quality though. It's very noticeably high quality. So we got the battery. And we got the. This is something I'm not going to need because I got the belt. Gosh. What I will be doing is since, because I have this, but I also have this, I'll put this in my bag, so if I travel with it, I can have be able to charge it on the fly, or on the go, as they say. And what's this? Oh, screws for the clip. 2 screws for the belt clip. The belt clip. Aha! The radio itself, which is, by the way, very small. Oh, it looks awesome though. Ooh, baby. That is really small. In some ways, it's hard to live up. I paid $500 for this. But, on the other hand, it looks really, really cool. And it's got a lot of features, so I'm excited to use it. Again, it is smaller than I thought it would be. Wow, that's so cool. I'm gonna have to read the instruction manual on how to do all this stuff. Okay, so we got. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's save the box. Oh, that's a screw. You need screws yet. I might save those. I don't know. Throw that away. Got a little. Nice thing is to put this on. So I will do that next. Don't want to do it too tight till I get the other one in. Okay, good and tight, right, clips in, see if we can add power. Oh, power bud's on the side, I forgot. Battery's probably not charged. got to be charged. There it is. My new handy talkie. Looks really cool.